Hey guys, it's Mel here. Welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna do this look. I was feeling like warm tones and a nice fall lip. Really into the fall colors right now. I think it turned out really pretty. I wanted to do glam today just because I haven't done glam in so long. And I kind of just used a lot of my favorite products and just had fun playing around, and I think it turned out really pretty. Loved everything about this look. So make sure you hit subscribe down below so you can see my videos and future uploads. Hit like if you like this video, and if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, first I am gonna prime my eyes with a Too Faced Eye Insurance Primer. Then I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette Volume 2. Love this palette. I'm going to set the lid with Certified. And then for my crease color, I'm going in with, I believe I did either Perfectionist or Comfort Zone. Either one of these will work. This will be like a good transition shade. Then I'm gonna go in with G Money. I love this color. It's such a nice crease color. So blending that into the crease and starting to create an outer V. Then I'm gonna go in with Flawed and Odd for my lid shade. Really pretty gold shimmer. Then I'm gonna go in with Grateful and kind of deepen that V. Then I took Talia, really pretty gold glitter. I used my finger and just pressed it on there. Now I'm going in with the Benefit Roller Liner. Then I'm going to apply some lashes. These are Ardell Demi Wispies Original. These are really pretty, very comfortable. Now I'm going to prime my face with the Tatch Silk Canvas primer. And then give a little moisture with the iconic London Glow Spray and Original. The foundation I'm using today is the Nars Natural Radiant Full Coverage Foundation. Then I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toast to cream contour. This moved my makeup a little bit, but I believe it was just, I didn't shake it up enough. I saw some like oil come out with the product, so I did not love this, but we made it work. Love the shade. Then for concealer, I'm going to start out with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And then I'm going to add, for a little brightness and a little more coverage on my inner corner, the Jouer Full Coverage Concealer. I love both of these. Then I'm going to set with the Fenty Pro Filter powder. This is my favorite powder right now. I love it. Then for bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Nars bronzer in the shade Casino. This is Blush by Note in the shade Desert Rose. Love this shade. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. Then I'm taking those shades Grateful and Perfectionist and just blending it to the lower lash line. And then I'm taking that Molten highlighter and adding it to my inner corner. Now I'm just going to do my brows with the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo in medium brown. Just to fill them in a little bit. And then I'm going to set them with the NYX Thick It Stick It Brow Gel. I'm obsessed with this. This stuff is amazing. Just adding lower lash line mascara. Setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. For lips, I'm going to line them with Palladio Lip Liner in the shade Natural. And then I'm going to go in with the liquid lipstick by Ofra in Miami Fever. I've been loving this lip color for fall. It's amazing. The formula is really nice and I love it. And then I also added a little bit of concealer in the middle of my lips just to give it a little bit of lightness and to give it like an ombre effect. Love how this look turned out. Great for fall. Loved everything I used. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.